Hey girly girls, my name's Devon. Welcome to my Brooklyn bathroom. Today I'm gonna be doing the pore control routine from Glow Recipe. I have combination skin and a little oily up here, in here, a little dry over here, you know the drill. So yeah, here we go. First, I'm gonna start out with the Watermelon Glow sleeping mask. You can do it as a night mask, but I like to do it as like a 10-minute just like prep. You know, when you're having like a cute little evening and you just want like that extra glow, that extra pop. Yeah, I love to use a gentle exfoliator to do so. So basically what we're gonna do here is use like a quarter size amount. I'm just gonna lather it on. It smells like watermelons, it's so nice. Juicy. Everyone gets some exfoliation today. Now that that's all on there and ready to sit, I'm gonna take about 10 minutes to go hydrate my plants. How about you, Sade? What you want? There we go. A little drip drop. Okay, ladies, welcome back to my channel. LOL. So I'm gonna wash this off with the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. It gets nice and foamy. It has this like jelly-like texture to it, or if you can see. Boop, just a little more. Since I'm washing my head too. I'm gonna do like, oh my god, it smells so good. Almost there. I took my robe off because it got soaked when I was washing my face. Oops. Now that my skin is super clean and fresh, I'm gonna use the Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore-TIGHT toner. And it's the best toner I've ever used, like hands down. Just pouring a little bit and I rub it in my hands and then I just do a nice gentle pat. My pores are just like not clogging as much. Like I read about BHA and apparently like it like helps take the oils out of the pores. Now I'm gonna go and use a personal fave, the AVOCADO Melt Retinol Eye Cream. This stuff feels so luxe. And a little bit goes a long way, honestly. Like I use the little spatula to get it, but like honestly, like the smallest amount is perfect. I'm gonna do a little one of these. A little bit I'm gonna move on to one of my fave serums, this Pineapple Sea Bright serum. So I'm just gonna use like a few drops here, a little one of these. So honestly, like what I like most about this serum is that it does just like go off and gives you like that really nice supple dewiness. Now I'm going to use the Banana Soufflé Moisture Cream. I feel like this is like my childhood in a skincare line. Oh, that's so yummy. Look at the glow. Look at the glow. I'm gonna use the Glow Recipe Lip Pop. Just a cute little watermelon flavored lip balm. Silky smooth. Last but not least, always use SPF because the sun will destroy you. So I like to just do like a little bit in my hands and just like do a little one of these. Like just like pat it on top. And here we are. That's my pore control routine. Ooh, she said glow, honey. You deserve it. But like seriously, look. So soft, so dewy, so glowy. Thank you.